What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with another banger for y'all, man. Now this time, you know, my first videos with shoes, this, shoes, that, unboxing this, let me see y'all this, let me show y'all that. This time, man, I'ma tell y'all a little secret. I know y'all probably wondering, like, what's the secret? What you finna show? What you finna tell us? And like, don't worry about it. You finna find out soon. You can find out real soon. But anyway, though, I know y'all probably getting tired of getting on sneakers, taking L after L, wondering like, man, when am I gonna hit? When am I gonna get a dub on sneakers? Like, I can't get nothing. I can't get like no heat. I'm gonna give y'all a little sauce, man. I'm gonna give y'all like the little, you know, the little AC special. Now, granted, you know what I'm saying, I don't hit like every single time, but when I do hit, trust and believe, I hit. You know what I'm saying? So sit back, relax, stay tuned, and listen up to these little tips to help y'all, you know what I'm saying, increase your chances at winning on sneakers. So number one, man, always remember to keep your engagement on that app high. Like, you know, it might sound like a little myth, you know what I'm saying? They say get on the app, watch the little videos, whatever. But every time I hit, I always had the videos playing in the background. Let's say if I'm watching a movie, put my phone out to the side, had the little videos playing, had like the little, you know, whatever little pictures going through, had like the little sneaker story showing like the whole time I'm either watching the movie or playing the game. Have that junk constantly going. If you ain't using your phone, put that junk on the sneakers app and let the little stories, pictures, whatever, let them junks just play through. If you watching a movie and you know you ain't finna use your phone, do that. If you in the shower, you know what I'm saying, you can have your song playing in the background. I don't know if the song might work, I don't know, maybe not. But have them videos and them pictures, them stories, have them junks going, man. I'm telling you, that is gonna increase your chances at winning on the sneakers app. What else do I be doing? A little AC special. Another thing, man, always use multiple accounts. Now I know y'all wondering like, but isn't that like, ain't that cheating? Ain't that fair? Listen, man, do you want to win or not? First off, when you use multiple accounts, make sure they on 2 different IP addresses. Cause you know what I'm saying, you're gonna try to fool sneakers, they're gonna find out, they're gonna know. So if you're gonna use one on Wi-Fi, make sure you have one on cellular data, so that way it's not connected to the same exact network. Cause you know what I'm saying, that might kind of lower your chances at getting a dub on sneakers. I don't know, I could be wrong, but I know for me, it worked like that. So I'm just giving y'all my tips, my sauce. So make sure if you have multiple accounts running, they're not all on the same network. So like, let's say you got your phone connected to the Wi-Fi, you got another burner phone, whatever kind of phone you got sitting out to the side, make sure that that's on, you know what I'm saying, cellular data. Now, if you got a phone that's turned off, have that one on the Wi-Fi, have your phone on cellular data, or vice versa, you know what I'm saying, you know, keep the little, you know, your chances at winning higher than what they probably would be if you didn't have that on. Another tip of mine, man, another tip. If you have any other app on your phone open, close every other app, man. It's what it would do is, in my opinion, from personal experience, I feel as if you have multiple apps open at one time, you know, your phone somewhere pulls some kind of data or something away from the sneakers app, and sneakers like, oh, this person don't really, you know what I'm saying, whatever, want these shoes. So it kind of like it kind of lowers your chance, you know. That could be a little myth, but hey, you rather be safe than sorry, right or wrong. So make sure all them apps closed, make sure all the little videos, whatever you got going on, Facebook, you know, you're trying to update your status, don't update no status. If a shoe coming out, Facebook, man, that ain't important. Update your status when you get the got 'em screen. Don't worry about, oh, let me see what this person's saying, what should I do? No. Get on sneakers, close everything else out, and get your app, you know what I'm saying, ready to go. Another thing, man, what else? I told you about the engagement, I told you about the multiple accounts, the IP address, all that. Oh yeah, another thing that I use, a little sauce of mine that worked when I hit for the Travis Scott Fragment low guys, man. What I had to do was, so I saw the draw open, cool, whatever, you know, you get a little 10 minutes, whatever, enter the draw, boom. What I did was, now this might not work for you, but it worked for me. So listen, I am not, what they be saying, like I am not a financial advisor, I am not a sneakers advisor. So don't come back to me if this don't work for you, but it worked for me each time. What I did was, I waited 5 minutes for that video, I mean not video, I'm tripping, for the timer to go down for the draw, waited 5 minutes. When it gets to that 5-minute mark, boom, enter the draw. Put my phone to the side, you know, put it in guys' hands, and then whatever happened after that happened. Next thing I know, looked up, the Travis Scott Jordan 1 low fragment, whatever, is now yours, got 'em screen. Boom. So I was like, oh, that's crazy. I hit on the Travis Scott. So if I get on the Travis Scott, you know what I'm saying, using them little tips, I know for a fact that if you take these little tips I got, you know what I'm saying, into consideration for your next sneaker drop, or the next year you want to cop off sneakers, your chance of getting that shoe might just, you know what I'm saying, just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So take all that into consideration, man. Like, if you got, like I said, multiple apps open, close them, multiple accounts use different, you know what I'm saying, IP addresses, have one on Wi-Fi, have one on cellular data, you know, just the small things. And I'm telling you, in your engagement, keep that engagement high. Each time I hit, whether it was for exclusive access for the Union 4s, whether it's just for a regular raffle, you know what I'm saying, drawing for the Travis Scotts, even exclusive access for the, you know, Kobe Mambacitas. Those are the 3 shoes that I get. Like I said, when I hit on sneakers, I hit on sneakers. I even had exclusive access for the Off-White Dunks. Now, granted, I saw my phone a little bit too late, so I didn't get the, you know what I'm saying, chance to cop. But let's say I did get my phone on time, then boom, that's another pair I could have had in my collection that I got off sneakers for retail. So it's definitely possible to hit on sneakers. Now, am I saying that everything that I'm saying is going to help you win? No, I'm not saying that it's going to give you a 100% chance at winning, but it might just boost your odds up a little bit past the next person that don't follow these simple steps. So you take my advice, take my word, you know, follow little AC steps to success, give you that little sauce. You might just get you a new pair, you know what I'm saying? Who knows? The next Travis Scott that come out, the next Off-White that come out, the next Union or any collab that come out, even if it's just like, you know, a basic OG colorway that you wanted, that, you know, even nowadays, even OG colorways are hard to hit on. Boom. You take this little advice, follow my steps, taking the little sauce, mix that little sauce up, you know what I'm saying? You might just hit. So I'm just giving you my sauce, what worked for me. Like I said, I am not a sneakers advisor, so if you don't hit, don't come trying to find me and try to fight me. Listen, you're wasting your time with that one. But once again, you follow them simple steps, man. I'm telling you, you will probably increase your chance. You might just cop your next shoe off sneakers. And if you do, hey, you know what to think. So once again, y'all, appreciate y'all for watching my video, man. Appreciate y'all for supporting, subscribing, and liking. You know what I'm saying? Always remember, like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm seeing a lot more people, unsubscribers watch, or not unsubscribed, but people that are not subscribed watching my videos and that are subscribed. So man, hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Knock that subscribe button out, man. Knock that button out. And man, once again, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, and stay tuned for my next video, man. I'll see y'all in the next one, y'all. Peace.